Hello, I'm Abby from Sutton Schoolswork. Welcome to our assemblies online. Each week we're going to be sharing a Bible story, a thought about what it means for Christians, a few questions for you to think about, and a challenge for the week ahead. So, are you sitting comfortably? Let's begin. This term, our assemblies are all about fruit. The fruit we're thinking about isn't peaches and pears, or pineapples and plums. We're thinking about the way we behave and how we treat other people. The Bible calls these qualities fruits of the Spirit. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Christians believe these good things will be growing in our lives if we choose to live as God asks us to. Today's assembly is about Are you still waiting? Getting bored? Fidgeting a bit? Sometimes we have to wait. Wait for something to happen. Wait for our turn in a game. Wait to receive a present. Do you find it hard to wait? Today's assembly is about patience. Being able to wait without complaining or becoming annoyed. Let's play a game. If you wait long enough, what will these turn into? Today's Bible story is about a farmer who had to wait a long time for something to happen. Let's find out more.
The Bible tells a story about a farmer who owned a vineyard. The farmer has pruned and prepared his vines for a big harvest. But now he has to wait as the grapes begin to grow. At the moment they are very small and will taste sour. He must wait for the early rains that will water the plants and help the grapes to grow. But even then, they are still not as big and juicy as they need to be. They're not yet ready to be picked. He must keep waiting. He waits for the second rainy season. This is needed to help the grapes grow large and succulent. Now he must wait for the sun to ripen them. At last, the grapes are ready to be picked. The farmer has had to wait for a long time before his crop is ready for harvest. Christians believe that one day Jesus will come back to earth to take them home to live with him forever. But they must be patient and wait for God's timing. And now it's question time. What had the farmer planted and pruned? Why did the farmer have to wait for such a long time? What do you find difficult waiting for?
Being patient means waiting without complaining or getting frustrated. Nowadays, we're used to things happening quickly without having to wait very long. We can click and collect or buy now, pay later. The other day, I saw an advert for a restaurant which said pizzas cooked to order in 180 seconds. That's crazy! But why do we need to wait? We might have to wait because something isn't ready yet, like the farmer's grapes. Mums have to wait 9 months before their baby is ready to be born. The waiting is important. The baby needs time to grow and develop. You might have to wait to do something you really want to do because you're not old enough yet. It's wise to wait until you're bigger and more responsible. Waiting is hard, but it's part of life. If we don't learn to be patient as we wait, we will find life very difficult. Waiting patiently can be a chance to appreciate what we already have and not always be wishing for things we don't have. Often, when the waiting is over, it's been worth it. Christians believe that waiting helps us learn to trust God more. We learn to be patient because we know that God's timing is perfect and He knows best. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3, verse 5 and 6. Your challenge for the week. Is there something you find difficult waiting for? Do you sometimes get cross or frustrated when you have to wait? This week, let's choose to be patient while we wait. Focus on what you can do or what you already have. Be thankful and wait without complaining. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our assembly all about patience. Next week, we'll be thinking about kindness and goodness. Goodbye.